Good morning guys, my name is Abdullah. Today in this video I will show you how to configure VLANs, assigning ports to VLANs, configure transport and testing connectivity. We are going to perform a basic switch configuration. Here we have a 2-way switch and we have also 4 PC. Here also we have 5 steps and I will configure all these steps to my lab. First, now go to switch 1 and go to CLI, right, enter, right, enable mode, enter, right, configure terminal. Now you are in global mode. Host name, host name, switch on, enable secret. Line console 0. That's right. Again, to go to global mode, create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, username, HRM, VLAN 20, objective management, exit, show VLAN. Now we have GMT and HRM, VLAN 10 and VLAN 10. Go to the global mode, configure now I'm going to assign this to BC to this BC to VLAN 10 and this BC to VLAN 20. So, interface plus internet 0/1 switchboard order access switchboard access VLAN 10. Yes, I'm right. Interface plus internet 0/2 switchboard order access switchboard access VLAN. Show VLAN. Now you see VLAN 20 the first internet 0/2 and VLAN 10 first internet 0/1. Okay. Right. And port assign. Go to CLI. Right. Enable. Complete terminal. Hostname. Switch to create VLAN 10 HRM connectivity. VLAN, check, go to global mode, just safety. I will configure this port passive 0/2 to VLAN 10, and this port also is passive 0/3, and I'm configuring VLAN 10. Let's see. You see, interface passive 0/2 is VLAN. I'm assigned to VLAN. Passive 0/3 and I'm assigned to VLAN. Protocol for node config VLAN interface passive is 0/, I think 0/1. 0/1 sweet port out easy change the state up to up possible 0/2. Let's see if I can show interface. Now I'm configuring so to my PC to get this. PC to and plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. Dot spot dot. Yeah. Now the last step is testing connectivity. Okay, you see, it's good. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more contents. Thank you.